Hello friends, how are you? This is Harinandan, and uh, and today we will know about mobile network application and mobile tower application, how mobile tower works. Because we are using mobile phone, then we need to know how mobile network works. Okay, so we will start from beginning and from basic, so that you can know everything, you can understand everything. So first we will read the description and what is the PSTN. PSTN we can see over here, public switch telephone network. MSC nothing but mobile switching center. BSC base station controller, and BTS is base transceiver station. So this is our BTS. BTS means our site, our tower. Okay, this tower connected to this tower. Okay, through PTH link. You can see over here. Why we are using here? Why we are using PDH link? Why we are not using SDH link? Because we can see over here we have two type microwave link, one SDH, one PDH. SDH generally we are using for long side. If it is too far, I mean 40 kilometer, 35 kilometer, for that we can use SDH microwave. And PDH microwave we are using if a site is not too far, site is near, I mean 20 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. For that we can use PDH link. So our site is only near, so one side to another side we can use PTH link. Okay, so easily connectivity will be there. Now BTS is connected to BSC. Okay, this BSC. So BSC is base station controller. One BSC can handle many sites. I mean many BTS. So it depends on BSC capacity, because we have also many type BSC, high cap BSC, low cap BSC, flexi BSC. So it's depend on BSC, and also in BSC we are using BSSU card. So it depends on TR capacity, how many TRS your BSC support. Okay. So in this BSC we can see over here one BTS, two BTS is there, and this side also they're using a tower, and all tower connected to through PDH micro link. Okay, and now this BSC connected to this BSC, and this BSC to this BSC, I think too far is there. I think long distance is there. For that they are using STH link. Now also this BSC to this BSC using STH link. Now this BSC connected to MSC. Okay, so as we know, MSC is main mobile switching center, and we can also say that mobile station controller, master station controller. Okay, MSC handle all BSC, and BSC handle all BTS. I mean tower side, tower side. So this BSC is connected to MSC through microwave STH link. Okay. Now MSC also connected to MSC. Okay. So I mean we have to make one ring, because if any microwave link went down, so suppose that if raining season is there, and maybe due to lightning, SDH micro audio went faulty, so our connectivity will be disconnect from here. Okay, so how our MSC will work? Okay, so for that thing, about purpose we are using one ring. I mean we have to make one ring. Okay, because if any micro link went down, then our MSC can work from this side, and BSC can also work from this side. But this thing happening was earlier, and nowadays we are using fiber link for MSC connectivity, and BSC to BSC connectivity also. So that is on air connectivity. Okay, I mean that was on air connectivity, and now we are using fiber, I mean ground connectivity. And also nowadays also we can see in many circle, in many cluster, still they are using SDH link to connect BSC to BSC and BSC to MSC, and also they are using ground. And they are saying that if on air, I mean micro went faulty, then our fiber link path can support to on air MSC and BSC. Okay, so to avoid the isolate of BSC and MSC, they are using on air path and ground path also. So this type makes mobile network, and these are and this thing we can also call mobile network application. So guys, if you like this video and if you are new, then please subscribe my channel, and also you can share to with your friends. So thank you guys.